said keep him. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
Hi guys, welcome to my cooking vlog. Welcome to my cooking segment. Yes guys, welcome. You know what, I saw that you guys on my previous vlogs enjoyed my cooking content, so I was like, you know what my people liked is what my people will get. So your wish is my command. So I was like, you know what, let me do something different. Let me just do a cooking vlog. So this, it will be all about cooking, like nothing else. So this, it will be all about cooking, nothing else, nothing more, only cooking. So guys, it is so cold. It is so cold. If you are in South Africa, it is so cold, like khutsi didi, and I saw it's not only affecting us in Gauteng, it's all over the country. Like every province, it's cold. Every province is cold. I even saw Hoko Durban, it's even raining. The way it is so cold. Yeah, so it clearly shows how it's very, very cold. So I hope you guys are keeping warm. I hope you guys, wherever you are, you know, you are warm with your kids. Nama is so cold. Like it is so cold. If you have to visit me, you better think twice, because girl, but you know what, it's fine guys, it's fine. So for today, what we're gonna have pap, ox liver, cabbage. The cabbage is the one that I did and also the chakalaka, but when I bought that ready mixed chakalaka, and then I just added my thingy. So yeah, it's what we are going to have for today. So I quickly wanna do my preps so that we can cook together. I hope you guys enjoy. So I won't be talking going forward. I will just be showing you guys what I put and what. So thank you guys for watching once again. I really appreciate. So I'm not gonna be talking in this vlog. It's only be cooking. So I will see you guys. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I will see you guys again, because this vlog, like, there's no need for me to talk. It's just for me to show what I do. So thank you guys for watching.
I found love, the real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, kiss me, now I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing.
I can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence, I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Here, right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong. I can feel you in the sunlight and through the cold nights. When I close my eyes, I am walking, oh Lord, beneath the starlight, a love so pure. Right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong.
You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always chasing me. You are maker of all things.
Hi guys, I know I said I won't be talking going forward, but then I just wanted to come here and update you on what we are going to cook today. So you know this weather, it wants, you know, the hearty meals. So today I'm cooking this quick samp and also beef stew. So because of this one is small, I'm gonna add it with my short ribs, and I'm gonna say it's just maybe half, so that you know I can be able to make enough food. I don't like today, guys. I don't know whether it's me or what, but then I like to make food that they can still last up until tomorrow. Yeah, I want tomorrow when you want to eat something salty, then you can have what we cooked yesterday. Yeah, so those are the only things that I'm going to cook for today. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm going to cook tomorrow because we still have food from yesterday. Yesterday the ox that I cooked is still there, so because of content today we are cooking again. Otherwise I was not gonna cook. Because I make enough food so that the following day we can have, and then I cook the third day. So yeah, let's cook, guys.
Bearing all my pain, you are Jesus, and I love to sing your name. I see you in everything, such kindness in my own story. Oh, what can obscure the truth? My Father in heaven loves me. I dance in the pouring rain. You shower your love on everyone with a power I can't escape. Whenever you speak, I come undone. You are maker of all things. You are lover of all beings, my Redeemer. Bearing all my pain, you are Jesus, and I love to sing your name.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake